The culture here at Dutchland is very collaborative. A lot of cross-functional involvement, whether it's on our professional teams, all the functional support groups, the employees on the floor. So we all come together, whether it's working on a new product launch, improvements to existing products, improvements in just day-to-day tasks.
The culture at Dutchland allows people to grow. It's pretty expansive in regards to the fact that your options here are limitless. You get to try different things and see what works by using best practices. You get to work together collaboratively and you feel like you're a part of something big.
The culture here is really amazing. It's really about the people who built the business from the beginning. It's a family-owned, operated business, and really it's a second family here to work, and the people are awesome to work with, very engaging.
The culture here is actually pretty cool. Once you're here, you're kind of family. You know people by the first name. It's just you pass them and it's a wave, hello, how you doing? It's very friendly. Everybody works together. There's great communication.
We have competitive culture internally in a positive way. Everybody here wants to win day to day, and we use that to push each other.
Dutchland has a very team-oriented culture where everyone works together to find solutions, and the executive leadership team really, truly cares for the employees as well as their families. So that's important to me.